Heavy rains from the southwest monsoon battered communities for days, flooding streets, submerging low-lying areas, and triggering landslides. In Baguio City, a landslide buried 3 houses in Barangay Gisad Sur. 13 people were buried under the debris. Rescue teams spent hours searching for survivors. 3 were found alive, while 10 others died. Elsewhere in Luzon, flooding continues. In Teresa, Rizal, a spillway in Barangay Dalig has been impassable for more than 3 days due to strong currents. Authorities have blocked the area and continue round-the-clock monitoring. In Parañaque, floodwaters reached knee-to-chest deep levels, forcing residents to wade through the flood. 12 of the city's 16 barangays were affected.
Main problem na talaga natin, kapag nag-high tide, hindi makalabas yung tubig. Kaya ang ginagawa natin, full dredging ng ating river. Continuous ang dredging natin, tag-init, tag-ulan, tuloy-tuloy ang dredging ng river. Basically, may problem tayo sa baha, yung ating barangay San Isidro, barangay San Dionisio, BF, Moonwalk at portion ng barangay Don Bosco.
A year after Bulacan became a focal point of the flood control corruption scandal, flooding continues to disrupt communities across the province. Habagat rains combined with high tide submerged roads and even a church, with flood waters reaching waist-to-thigh deep levels. In Quezon City, forced evacuation was carried out in Sitio Uno, Barangay North Fairview after La Mesa Dam reached its spilling level.
Pumasok na yung tubig po sa namin, sa bahay po namin, kaya baka matrap kami. Habang maaga pa, inilikas ko na po yung ito pong apo ko para masave po kami. Sanay na po kami kasi lagi naman po kaming ganito. Tuwing bumabagyo po, bumabaha, konting